Right, so here is the only way on how you can play Fight Night Champion on your Android device. So just make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So here, as you can see, if you search a Fight Night Champion on PlayStation Store, it won't be available because it's it's a game for like PS3. It was available on PS3, not for PS4 or not even PS5. But what you can do is just get emulator for your Android devices, such as a PS3E or RPCSX. These are based on some emulators that you could download on your phone and you could play, or you could just simply play it directly through your PC by just using the emulators. So these are the only way you can play it, otherwise it's not playable. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.